Hey guys, it's Sam from Boxing for Health, and I'm here today to show you your PD Warrior Tah Dah. This exercise focuses on shoulder extension, stepping, and exaggerated movements. There's definitely a component of balance and coordination as well. Most of us are really familiar with the Tah Dah. We have lots of fun with it in the gym, but there's a few specific moves and we want to make sure that we're getting it right. So we want to start, feet are about hip width apart, okay? When we step over our obstacle, I want you to make sure you're doing it with a really big lift, high knee, and then a step forward, okay? We want to make sure those arms open really wide, so much so that they're coming behind the chest. And of course, we want to hear that voice, nice, loud, and proud, okay? Here we go. This is what I want to see. Big step, up and out, ta-da! And back. One more time. Big step up. Ta-da! And back. Whew. You got this.